Imagine stepping into the market, not with fear, not with greed, but with a calm and steady mind. Most beginners fail, not because they lack knowledge or strategy, but because they lose control of the one battlefield that matters most, their own psychology. The truth is, trading is not just a financial game. It's a psychological war. And if you want to win, you must first conquer yourself. In this speech, I will share with you 3 powerful trading psychology lessons that every beginner must learn. Lessons that will decide whether you last in this game or walk away broken. So, if you are serious about becoming a trader, stay until the very end, because what you're about to hear could change the way you trade forever. Number 1, mastering emotional control. Trading doesn't test your knowledge first. It tests your emotions. The charts don't care how smart you are. The market doesn't care about your predictions. It only reflects back the emotions you project onto it. Fear, greed, overconfidence, hesitation. These are the invisible enemies that drain your account faster than any bad strategy. When fear takes over, beginners sell too early, cutting their winners short because they're terrified of losing profit. When greed takes the driver's seat, they hold on too long, refusing to accept the signals, hoping for just a little more until the market reverses against them. Emotional trading is like handing your money to the market without a fight. To control emotions, you must first accept their presence. You cannot eliminate fear or greed. They are natural human responses, but you can manage them. Think of emotions as wild horses. Left unchecked, they will throw you off and drag you through the mud. But with awareness and discipline, you can hold the reins and guide them. Practical tools help. Set stop losses before you enter a trade, so you don't negotiate with your fear in the heat of the moment. Define profit targets to prevent greed from whispering. Stay longer. Journal your trades. Write down not only numbers, but your emotions. Over time, patterns will emerge, and you'll notice how your feelings push you into mistakes. The strongest traders are not those who never feel fear or greed, but those who act with discipline despite them. The real victory is not over the market. It is over yourself. Number 2, the power of patience and discipline. Beginners often imagine trading as fast, exciting, like a constant rush of adrenaline. They want action, movement, quick profits. But the truth is almost the opposite. The best trades often come from waiting. Patience is one of the hardest lessons because it goes against our human desire for instant gratification. We want results now. We want to turn small accounts into fortunes overnight. But the market punishes impatience. Every rushed entry, every forced trade is a trap. Discipline, paired with patience, is the silent weapon of great traders. Discipline means following your rules, even when your emotions scream otherwise. It means not chasing after losses, not forcing trades just because you're bored, and not abandoning your strategy after one bad day. Think of trading as farming. A farmer does not dig up the soil every day to check if the seeds have sprouted. He plants, he waters, he waits. The harvest comes only with patience and discipline. So ask yourself, do you have the patience to wait for the high probability setups? Do you have the discipline to walk away when the market isn't offering opportunities? Or do you give in to the impulse to act, even when it's not the right time? Great traders understand this. Doing nothing is sometimes the most profitable action. They know that waiting is not weakness. It is strength. Number 3, building a resilient mindset. No matter how skilled you become, losses are inevitable. Even the best traders in the world lose. The difference is not that they avoid losses. It's that they know how to handle them. Beginners often crumble after a few bad trades. They take losses personally, as if the market is against them. They quit too soon or double down recklessly, trying to win it back. This emotional spiral destroys accounts faster than any bad strategy. Resilience means accepting that losses are part of the game. Every trade is just one event in a long journey. A resilient trader does not measure success by one win or one loss, but by consistency over time. When you face a losing streak, resilience allows you to step back, analyze, and adjust instead of reacting emotionally. It is the ability to adapt, to evolve, to come back stronger after every setback. Building resilience requires perspective. Trading is not about being right every time. It's about being prepared, managing risk, and surviving long enough to let your edge play out. Think like a warrior. You may lose battles, but the goal is to win the war. Remember this. Your greatest teacher in trading is not your wins, but your losses. Each mistake carries a lesson. Each setback builds strength, if you choose to learn instead of despair. These 3 lessons, emotional control, patience and discipline, and resilience, are not just tips. They are the foundation of a trading career. Without them, no strategy will save you. With them, even a simple system can bring success. The market is not just a place of numbers. It is a mirror reflecting your psychology. Master your mind and the profits will follow. If you found value in this, stay with me on this journey, because together we'll go deeper into the hidden side of trading psychology. Now ask yourself, are you ready to master not just the market, but yourself?